In this video, I want to show you more ways to create circles. The first way is to enter the coordinates and the radius, which you already know. For example, C, enter. I can select any points. Let's say here, I can enter the radius 2, enter. So this is how you did before. Now there are more ways to do that, and you still need to enter the circle command, C, enter. Now there are choices in here. You can enter it 3 points, 2 points, and tangent radius. So let's start with the tangent radius. When you click here, or you can type here TTR, enter, and then it will ask you for the first point. Now the first point is not a solid point because you don't know where that tangent is. So it will show you a circle there, but don't worry, just click on it. If I want to create a circle in here, tangent to this line and tangent to that line, let me click here. That's 1 point. The second point, I click it to here, and then I'm going to use the same radius, 2 inch. So I will create a 2-inch circle that's tangent to this line and that line. So I'm going to repeat that circle. Again, tangent radius. This time I click here, and then I can select this point, this line, and enter the radius of 2, which is here, 2, enter. So 2. Now the second one I want to show you again, circle is 2 points. I click here. Basically it's just asking for the diameter of the circle. So now I'm going to use the endpoint of these. I'm going to activate this, make sure the endpoint is there, activate it. So endpoints, now I create this circle using these 2 points. I'm going to create the third one, circle. This time it's 3 points. I'm going to use the tangent of this. Now because it's already, even this on tangent, but I won't be able to activate it because when I move it closer, it will think it is a midpoint. Same thing in here. So what I have to do is I have to manually override it by using the typing commands to type the object snap. So I'm going to use tan, which is tangent this line. Click here, so circle to that line, and then tan again for the second line, and then the third line, which is here, the third point. So I'm creating a circle that's within these 3 lines. Tan again, click here. So I'm creating that circle that will tangent to this line, tangent to that line, and tangent to this line. So that's how you use the circle commands.